I have gotten so many comments about my hair, about my skin, about how I'm looking in my videos lately that I feel like I manifested a physical glow up. Hi you guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Jyotsna and in today's video, I'm going to talk to you all about how you can manifest a physical appearance change. Whatever it is that you're insecure about, we all have our own insecurities, okay? There could be a specific feature about yourself. Maybe it's, related to your body weight, or maybe related to your height, or maybe related to a facial feature that you're just a little insecure about, or you're just seeing or experiencing a lot of, like breakouts, like maybe skin breakouts. I actually have a pimple right now. I'm not sure if you can tell, but we're all human beings, okay? We all are meant to be imperfect. We're meant to have flaws, and that's what makes us all beautiful and unique in our own ways. I don't know if you understand this, but there are some people who are not really that good looking, but there's just something about them that is super attractive that makes them so magnetic. A simple example I can give you of aura is I was watching Durandar recently with my husband, and there's a scene I'm sure you would have seen. It's quite viral. It's coming in like a lot of reels as well, where Akshay Khanna like steps in and he's like so happy and he's smiling, he's like dancing, which I also heard is like an impromptu dance move that was made by him like on the set. So I did not even realize Ranveer Singh is right behind him. I read a specific comment that said that have such a powerful and such a beautiful aura that you make even the main hero or like the main character look like a side hero or a side character, which I thought was hilarious. Obviously, we all know Ranveer Singh is amazing and even Akshay Khanna is amazing. But, people were just joking around in the internet saying that Akshay Khanna literally had a glow up and that scene was so good. He's like making his own comeback. And to be honest, we all know that Ranveer Singh is the main hero of the movie. He's the one who's more famous, who's more popularly known. It is also known that he has taken a higher paycheck than Akshay Khanna. It's just because he has that magnetic aura, which not a lot of people understand, but it always happens internally with your thoughts first. So according to law of assumption, you guys know any assumptions, anything, whether it's false, whether it's not really true, whether it's something related to your insecurity. So if you replace that insecurity or limiting belief with a positive one, like, no, I'm not going to accept the identity of me, having hair problems or hair breakouts. I'm going to accept the identity of me who always has flawless hair, who always has gorgeous hair. The more you assume something like that, it will harden into a fact eventually. Of course, you need to be consistent. Of course, you have to be persistent in having those thoughts. And I completely understand that, sometimes our awareness always goes to our flaws. I remember a few weeks ago, I was having tremendous hair fall. Like I could actually spot a bald spot also like on my scalp, and I was feeling so bad, so disappointed. And I was actually FaceTiming my mom and I was complaining to her. I was telling her, like, I don't know what to do. I don't know if it's because of the water. Like, I'm just having so much damage. I don't know. It's probably also because the season's changing. It's winter now here in New York. So maybe because of that also. I've just been having and dealing with a lot of hair breakouts. And that is when my mom was telling me that, just oil your hair, just try to take good care of your hair. It's okay and all of that. And that is when I got conscious of my thoughts and I'm like, wait, why am I complaining? Wait, I have to quit complaining. I have to stop focusing on that one small bald spot or that one small hair fall breakage that I'm having and start focusing on what is abundantly present and there, which is my hair. My hair is so beautiful. My hair is so thick. I can actually maintain my hair well and take good care of it. And whatever damage, whatever hair fall I'm having, I can reduce it. A lot of people, when they start seeing, something happening, even like a pimple coming on the face or any blemishes or any mark, they can all actually be healed. Even if you're having hair fall, it can be healed. There are so many people that I know who have reversed, the process of hair damage. Every single process, whatever it is that you are having an insecurity with, it can be healed or it can be reversed. So there is nothing to worry about. And at the end of the day, if you can convince your mind that you can have a physical appearance change and it is possible for you, then it will definitely be possible for you. So first things first, you have to assume the fact that it is possible for you. If you keep thinking that no, it's not happening or it's not coming quickly, I'm not getting the results overnight, what can I do? How many subliminals can I listen to on a day-to-day basis? Then you are clearly already losing. You have to believe that a possibility exists where you can have that physical glow up. If you want to manifest your dream body, then you have to believe it's possible for you. If you want to manifest gorgeous hair or you want to manifest clear skin, you have to believe that it is possible for you. Just believe that everything works out in your favor and start assuming the fact that it is possible for you. Step 2 is make it simple. Like, break it down into steps. Like, you don't have to assume immediately that you have hair like Rapunzel. You don't have to assume that you have the best hair in your town. Like, that is a huge assumption, probably for someone who has been complaining or who has been feeling extremely bad about their hair right now. It is very difficult for you to make such a huge assumption. So start small and start with simple assumptions. As to identity integration. Identity integration is nothing but you identifying yourself as someone who already has their desires. So let's say, again, going with the hair example, if you want to assume that you have healthy hair, you have thick and gorgeous hair, instead of assuming as someone with the best hair in the city or the best hair in the world, you can start small by just assuming that I am someone who has healthy hair. Like, I am someone who has gorgeous hair, or I am someone who has long hair, beautiful hair. If you are someone who has long hair, but you're also, seeing a little bit of hair fall here and there, then you can still assume one simple fact, which is actually true, that your hair is long. But after that, continue the assumption by saying that your hair is long as well as healthy. So what you're actually doing is you're tricking your subconscious mind, because the first statement you're making is a true statement about your hair. Your hair is actually long, but the continuation, the second statement that you're making is about your hair being healthy. So the more you affirm about it, the more you think whenever you get a limiting belief or an insecurity about hair, the more you keep thinking, wait, my hair is so long. But at the same time, continue the stream of thoughts by thinking, wait, my hair is so long and so healthy and so beautiful. And step 3 is every time you go and look at yourself in front of the mirror, stop focusing on, the spots that have blemishes or the spots that are triggering your insecurity or limiting beliefs. But instead of that, focus on the things that are already good. To give you a simple example of this, right now I have like a small pimple here just because I've been eating a lot of chocolates. But I did get a small pimple. I can actually go in front of the mirror and just focus on this pimple and complain about it, feel bad about it, have these really sad thoughts, negative thoughts that I always get breakouts. Instead of focusing on that one single pimple, I actually go look at myself in front of the mirror and look at the part of my skin which is actually clear and flawless, and just repeat in front of the mirror, like, wait, my skin is so clear, my skin is so gorgeous, my skin is actually looking so beautiful today. Like, how am I having such amazing glowing skin without even putting products on? Like, my skin is actually glowing. I have no idea why that's happening, but it's happening. You have to start feeding these thoughts into your mind, and the more you feed these good positive thoughts about your skin or about anything for that matter, your subconscious mind is actually going to believe it. It's actually going to start believing it, and once it starts believing it, you will see the evidence with the kind of compliments you get from people around you. You will start seeing the evidence with the kind of glow up you'll start seeing in front of the mirror, because whenever you are standing in front of the mirror, you are looking at the spots that are clear, flawless, and beautiful. So obviously, what you focus on, that's what grows. That is what the power of awareness is also about. The more you're aware of something, the more you focus on something, that is what expands into your reality. So it is possible for you to manifest physical appearance changes as soon as you decide it is possible for you. So one simple affirmation I always tell my clients is start affirming it is possible for you. It is so easy. It is so simple. All you're telling is, whenever you're getting a limiting belief, whenever you are, dealing with insecurities, just assume in your mind, it is possible for me to have clear skin. It is possible for me to have my dream body. It is possible for me to have beautiful eyelashes. Because once you convince your mind and move with that firm belief and that firm confirmation that no matter what, I just know I have clear skin, the universe will bring you what you want. So start normalizing that it is easy for you to get your dream body. Start normalizing that it is easy for you to have healthy hair, because the more you normalize it, the more universe will start sending you signs, and you can just follow the path of least resistance to manifest anything you want to. So that was it for today's video, you guys. I hope this was useful and I hope you found it inspiring. Let me know in the comments down below if you have any questions. I'd love to answer that. In case you want to manifest a major glow up, a major internal as well as an external transformation, then make sure to check out Manifest Instantly so that you can manifest anything you want in less than 2 weeks. Trust me, so many of my clients have been doing this course and have seen massive overnight results. So if you want to see amazing results, make sure to check out my course. So the link will be down in the description. You can get it either from Topmate or Stan Store. So yeah, that was it for today's video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Lots of love. Bye.